Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome to FitNCalm. This is Tejasvi. So today we have a very small practice of Surya Namaskars along with the blocks. So if you do not have your block, then you can have an old thick book to support you. The blocks help you to get the floor closer to you. It helps you with giving you a range of motion as well as it helps with the alignment. So here I am using the Eco Corner cot block. Grab your blocks and grab the mat, wear something comfortable, and let's get started. Let's begin today's practice. We'll do it standing. Just place the palms beside your thighs. Gently close your eyes. And now just observe if your feet is parallel to each other. And distribute the weight equally on both the legs. Breathe in and breathe out. Now pull up the kneecaps. Tuck the tailbone in, grip the hips, tuck the tailbone in. See if you can roll the shoulders back and down. Straighten the spine a little bit more. Join the palms together. We will chant Om once. Breathe in. Om. And relax the hands. Relax yourself. Breathe in and breathe out. And slowly open your eyes. And come onto the top of the mat. Keep the blocks handy. You can take one block in your hand. Now breathe in and breathe out. So here I'll be using three terms. If the block is this way, then it is sitting. If the block is in this way, vertical, then it is standing. If we are putting it horizontal, then it is sleeping. Okay. So this is sitting, sleeping and standing. So let's go ahead. Now you can catch your block in between the two palms, however you're comfortable. Breathe in, take the hands forward, keep pressing the block with both the hands, squeeze the block and slowly take it up. Now here take a breath in and breathe out, keep the biceps in line with the ears. And we will bend to the right side. Hold it there. 3, 2, 1. Come to the center to the left side. 3, 2, and 1. Come back to the center and slowly twist to the right. Center to the left. And center. Catching a weight makes it a little more difficult. To the right, breathing out center, to the left and center. And now slowly start bending forward and down. Place the block on the floor. Place the hands on your block. Look towards your knees, bend forward. Stay here. 3, 2, and 1. Now pressing both the palms onto the blocks, lift the left leg up. Left toe is pointing towards the floor. Stay here. This one is the easier version. If it is possible, you can straighten the hands, otherwise place them on the block. Hold. 3, 2, and 1. Place the left leg on the floor, left knee on the floor, blocks beside the foot, right foot. Place the hands on the block, look up. 3, 2, and 1. And slowly take the right leg back, hold it there in plank. 3, 2, and 1. And now you can either come into Chaturanga and then upward dog, or totally come down, knees down, chest down, Ashtanga Namaskara, and then Bhujangasana, and see if you can come onto the top of the foot into the upward dog. Now curl your toes in, lift up the hips, come into the downward dog, walk a step forward, adjust yourself, adjust the blocks as you wish, hold, breathe in and breathe out, in and out. Now slowly lift the left leg up, place it in between the two hands, right knee is on the floor, look up. Take a breath in and exhale. Now bring the right leg forward, bend forward. Now place the blocks in front of the foot and then pressing the blocks onto the floor, lift the right leg up, stay. 3, 2, and 1. Release the leg. Take the block in your hand and slowly as you breathe in, raise up and bend back. Hold. And breathing out, come to the center and relax. Take a breath in and breathe out. Breathe in and exhale. One more round. Breathe in and breathe out. Now straighten your hands. Keep pressing the block between your hands. Press, press, press. Press a little bit more and slowly take your hands up above your head. Stretch yourself up. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Come onto your toes. Stretch up and come down. Bend back. Hold it there. 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly bring your block forward. And now shift your weight onto the left leg and lift the right leg up into the Virabhadrasana. 3, stay. 3, 2, 1. And slowly bring the leg down. Place the blocks beside the feet. Now you can over here either place the blocks standing, sitting or sleeping according to your convenience. If you don't have the blocks, just place your hands on the floor or the knees. Stay here. Look towards your knees. Hold. Breathe in and breathe out. And now take your right leg back, placing the palms on the blocks. If you see, this will be more comfortable to stay in. 3, 2, and 1. Now take your block in your hand and slowly raise your hands up and go back and stay here. Keep looking at the block. 3, do not leave the block. 2, and 1. Come down. And now slowly take the leg back and come into the plank pose. Hold here. 3, 2, 1. Now here, if Chaturanga is in your practice, you can directly come into Chaturanga. Keep the body in a straight line. Otherwise, keep the knees on the floor. Slowly lower yourself into half Chaturanga. Otherwise, slowly come down. Whichever suits you. And now slowly as you breathe in, lift yourself up. Lift up the chest. And now see, by pressing the palms onto the blocks, if you can come onto the top of the foot, lift your knees off the floor into the upward dog. Hold. Now slowly curl your feet in. Raise your hips up into the downward dog. Just walk a step forward and see. Push your hips towards the sky. Look towards your thighs. Breathe in and breathe out. Now raise your right leg up. Place it in between your two hands. Place the left knee on the floor. Look up. Now slowly take the block in your hand. Breathing in, raise up and go back. Hold it there. Again, just give a good smile to the block. Breathing out, down. Get your leg forward. Bend forward. You can take the support of the blocks. Now slowly take the block in your hand. Shift the weight onto the right leg. Lift the left leg up. Straighten the hands and hold. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly lower the leg and come up. Bend back. Hold. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come down. Relax. Release the block. Relax yourself. We'll just close our eyes and relax here. Take a breath in and breathe out. Breathe in and exhale. Just observe your whole body. Normalize your breath and relax completely. Join your palms together. We'll chant Om Shanti Shanti. Breathe in. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms. Place them on the eyes. And slowly looking at the palms, you may open the eyes. So you can club this practice with the other practices on our channel, or you can imbibe this in your regular practice. So hope you've enjoyed it, and if so, click on thumbs up button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button. So thank you so much for joining us. May you stay fit and calm.